/do body come on. Simba. Saan na yun? Hello, Sir Himura Papi. I will conducting your final interview. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we proceed to the number one question. What does respect means to you, sir?
Respect to call sir and mom, and
Number two, why do you want to join the army function?
to prove myself, and I will protect of army people, and this is it. This is my opportunity to ne-
Number three, how should we address higher ranks and civilians?
call sir and mom.
How many hours can you play? Be active on duty.
10 hours.
Can you leave the military base whenever you want?
No, this is not legal. In case you have authority with general.
Number six, are you allowed to shoot, tase, or kill a fellow soldiers for fun?
Now,
Number seven, if a civilian enter the base, what should you do?
uh, I will escort him to ST and talk to him. What do you want in army?
What does AFK stands for? Can you please explain?
I'm used to away from keyboard. He was get away from keyboard. He was on live, but do not move otherwise in way.
9. Are you allowed to take military vehicle for personal use?
No, no.
Number 10. By joining the army, you must follow orders from your higher ups. Do you agree to these terms?
Yes, I am. Arigato gozaimasu.
Congrats, sir. You pass your final interview.
Arigato gozaimasu.